would have liked to see. The average length of time we've extended the debt ceiling since 1940 was 9 months. What I would have done as a Republican, say, Mr. President, we'll give you the average time, 9 months. We'll pay for it dollar for dollar, and we'll continue this debate. President Obama is sleeping pretty good last night and tonight because he now has a clear path to January 2013 where you don't have to deal with this issue anymore. So in that regard, he was a winner.
Senator, I've talked to a lot of your colleagues over the last couple of weeks who were not in the negotiations, who, even ones that were in Gang of Six, who felt as if their own leadership wasn't taking them seriously.
Yeah.
Was there how bad is this disconnect between leadership and the rank and file? Meaning you weren't able to do all these other things you guys have been wanting to do these last 6 weeks.
Well, you know, people would call me up at home and say, what's going on? Like I'm in the room. I said, I don't know. I read the paper and I watch MSNBC and Fox like everybody else. But you know what? You can't have 535 people negotiating. I don't blame the leadership for having to try to find common ground and do a big deal. I'm sorry the big deal didn't happen. But the lesson to be learned here from our leadership is that you need to listen to members. These new members, Ron Johnson spent $9 million of his own money to come to Washington. He's been arguing for a strategy for 2 months, and what we did is let the clock run out, like the CR, like the lame duck, get your back up against the wall, and make irrational decisions, and you don't have much to show for it. A lot of new members say you couldn't run a business that way, so they're frustrated. So if I was a congressional leader, I would go back to my caucus when we come back in September and listen a little closer.
You know, there's a whole list of things that didn't get done that I was told were going to get done, whether it's the confirmation of a new Secretary of Commerce, 3 trade agreements, and I know that there's some politics on that, but I think that had gotten worked out. I mean, can you put, did all of these things